Preventive maintenance trigger. When defining a preventive maintenance trigger for an asset, it's important to look at a few variables. This includes the manufacturer's recommended guidelines, the performance history of the asset, how critical the asset is to production, the cost of repair, maintenance, and the projected future use of the asset. It's also highly recommended to conduct a root cause analysis or RCA when an asset fails, so you can refine the PM triggers and frequencies to prevent such failure modes from occurring in the future.